So let's talk about real estate. Not any other real estate, I'm talking about Emaar South, the most fastest growing community in Dubai. And if you're thinking about getting a place or making a smart investment, this is one of those right place, right time situations. So here's a bigger picture. You're getting a home right in the center of golf-centric community. And this is not just any fancy talk. It actually means better view, more open spaces, and the lifestyle which is way more relaxed than one when you're in the city. Imagine waking up, walking to the balcony, and actually looking at a view and not just any other building. You have got lush green and wide open spaces. Feels different, right? The homes are designed for modern living. That is, you have the spacious layouts, you have the modern interiors, then you have the smart home features. This feels something cozy but stylish at the same time. They aren't your typical townhouses. These are bigger, more open, and it's perfect for family. Plus the 4-bedroom units, these are all corner units. That means you're getting more privacy and more space. Everything you need is right here. You have the swimming pool, gym, cycling trail, parks, a community center, play area for kids, and the 18-hole championship golf. There's also a bunch of restaurants, supermarkets as water streams woven into the community. Basically, it's full of lifestyle, plus it's a killer location. I mean, for now you might feel that you're stuck in the middle of nowhere, but actually it's not. Emaar South is just next to the Expo City, and you have the Al Maktoum International Airport. That's a huge deal for property value. But you're just 5 minutes from Dubai Outlet Mall, 20 minutes from downtown Dubai, 25 minutes from DXT Airport. Now let's talk about the numbers, because this is not just a mall, it's your investment. Prices for a 3-bedroom townhouse start from 3.2 million dirhams, and for a 4-bedroom starting price is about 4.2 million dirhams. And here's the kicker. Profit projection is up to 100% or more. And that's not just a speculation, because Dubai's real estate market is booming like anything, especially for the well-located areas like Dubai South, Emaar South, something around this corner. And with Expo City and the airport expansion nearby, property value is just going to go up and up. Payment plan, just like Emaar gives you 80-20. You have 10% down payment, 70% during construction, and the 20% on handover. The expected handover is in 2029. So how can I help you? Look, buying a property, especially an off-plan, can be overwhelming if you're not living in Dubai. With the amount of experience we had in real estate, we know exactly how to make this process smooth for you. And we don't just sell your property and then disappear. We have got you covered with pre-launch access, money management, move-in support, because the relocation shouldn't be a hassle for you. Free property management, that is, your investment will be handled by us properly. Free sale and rental valuation if you ever decide to sell or rent. Bottom line, this isn't just any other development, it's Emaar. It's in a high growth area, and it's your chance to own a premium townhouse, that too by Emaar in Dubai, on a very good location and in one of the most promising community. I mean, obviously we don't want to look back and say, oh, I wish I got it in earlier when the prices were this much. So if this slightly interests you, let's talk. No pressure, no sales pitch, direct one-to-one conversation. But act fast, because this is a pre-launch offer, and as we know, Emaar unit gets sold out in minutes. They don't last. So if you're interested and want to know more about this project, then contact me on the number given below, and I will catch you back in the next one.